Hello students, welcome to my channel Question Hub. ଆମେ ଏବେ ଆର୍ଆଇ ଅମିନ ଏସ୍ଏଫଏସ୍ ର କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ରଜ ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲ ଆମେ ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ର ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା 100 କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଆମର କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର ଆଉ ଜିକେ ମିଶିକି ରହୁଛି। ତ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଆନ୍ସର କହି ଯିବି, ଦେନ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ ଖାଲି ରିଭିଜନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ର କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପେପର स्टार्ट करिए आज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is not correct about the right to privacy as per the judgment delivered by the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer will be it will absolutely unlike to right to life and personal liberty. Next question, which places shall be the terminals for the fast bullet train in India? Correct answer will be Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 1718? Option D, Vidarbha. Who is the recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2017? Correct answer will be Binod Khanna. Next question, 5 number question. Which month shall be celebrated every year as the National Nutrition Month under Poshan Abhijan? September. Who have won 2018 Ramana Mageshwar Award? Correct answer will be Bharat Bhatwani and Sonam Wangchuk. Next question, which country has allowed to women drive with effect from June 2018? Correct answer will be Saudi Arabia. Which country did host the Commonwealth Heads of Government Meeting 2018? Correct answer will be England. Which city has been projected by the Population Division of the UN Department of Economic and Social Affairs to be the most populous city of the world 2028? Correct answer will be Delhi. What is the author of the book Gandhi, The Years That Changed the World 1914-1918? Correct answer will be Ramachandra Guha. Which battle did put an end to French challenge to the British supremacy in India? Battle of Vandivas. Which is not correct about Odisha? Which is not correct? Koda correct nuha na Odisha British are correct ठीक अछि. Odisha was ruled by the Maratha at the time कौन ठीक अछि. Odisha was ceded to East India Company by the Treaty of Argonne ठीक अछि. এইটা ভুল আছে। Odisha conquest was effected by Richard Wellesley. Correct answer এটা হবে। Which act did introduce the principle of elections? Correct answer will be Council Act 1892. Next question, where the revolt of 1857 kindled Barakpur, Uttar Pradesh. Barakpur, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the headquarters of Gadar Party established? Na San Francisco. San Francisco. এটা जो बाराकपुर ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଟାରେ ମଙ୍ଗଲ ପାଣ୍ଡେ ଥିଲେ ହେଡ୍ ଆର ମଙ୍ଗଲ ପାଣ୍ଡେ। When did Gandhiji address public meeting at Kotak during the non-cooperation movement? Na 1921 March 23 1921 रे गांधी करथिले। Next question, when did Gandhiji break the salt law at Dandi? Na April 6, 1930. Salt law Gandhi, April 6, 1930. Where did Subhash Chandra Bose establish the provisional government of Free India? Correct answer will be Singapore. What is not correct regarding the preamble of the Constitution? Not correct. It is an ideal of the Constitution ठीक अछि. It is an integral part of the Constitution ठीक अछि. It cannot be amended. एटा भी ठीक अछि. It is enforceable in a court law. एटा भूल अछि. तो correct answer एटा हो. What does Article 35A of the Indian Constitution provide for? Article 35A. Article 35A provide for saving laws with respect to permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir and their relates. Who are the electors of the office of the Vice President of India? Correct answer will be elected and nominated members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What is an advance grant made by the Parliament pending regular passage of the budget called? Vote on account. Vote on account. Next question, 23. Which writ is issued by the Supreme Court or a High Court to command a public authority to perform a statutory duty that is a part of their official duty but fail to perform? Mandamus. Which subject has been transferred from the state list into concurrent list by a constitutional amendment? Correct answer will be education. When was the amendment providing constitutional status to municipalities made effective? Correct answer will be 1993. What is the largest constituent of atmosphere? Nitrogen, 78%. Which type of rock is granite? Rock is igneous rock. Granite igneous rocks. Next question, 28. Which is not correct with regard to earthquake? Correct answer will be not correct ପଚାରିଛି. It is caused by the indicative front. ଠିକ ଅଛି. The magnitude ଠିକ ଅଛି. The damage is the sorry ଠିକ ଗଲା 7 ବାଜିଗଲା. ହଁ ହଉଛି ଆଜି ବନେଇ ହଉନି. ନେକ୍ସଟ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ବଢେଇଦବା ଖାଲି କାଟିବା ଟିକେ ମାତ୍ରା ବଢେଇଦବା. It is caused by ଏଇଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି. ମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନେଟିକ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Damage of the cause ଠିକ ଅଛି. Epicenter is the point deep under the ground where it actually begins. ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର କହନ୍ତିନି. ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର ଏଇଟା କୁହନ୍ତି. ଏଇଟା ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର ନୁହଁ. ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର ଏଇଟା କୁହନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଫେସ୍ର ଆର୍ଥର ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ସେଣ୍ଟରଟା ଯୋଉଠୁ ବାହାରିକି ଆର୍ଥକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ତାର ଯୋଉ ଏଇ ସେଣ୍ଟରଟାକୁ ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର କୁହନ୍ତି. ଏଇଟାକୁ ଏପିସେଣ୍ଟର କୁହନ୍ତି. ସେଇଟା ଲେଖିଛି. ଏଇଟା ଠିକ ହବ. ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ହିଁ ଅଛି. Which state is not bisected by the Tropic of Cancer? Odisha. Why Chilika Lake is called a lagoon? Na due to erosional and depositional action of the waves in the coastal regions. Option C. Next question. Which state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Where are the oldest rocks found? Oldest rocks found in Aravallis. Next question. Which state has the highest percentage of its geographical area covered by as per the government report 2018? Na Mizoram. D. Mizoram. Which is a tool executive control to enforce administrative accountability? Correct answer appointment and removal. Appointment and removal. What is the theme of the 21st National Conference on E-Governance 2018? Correct answer will be technology for accelerating development. Could be technology for accelerating development. Technology for accelerating development. Eta theme thala. What is called a rolling plan? A rolling plan that changes target every year. Eta thik haba. Which is the most appropriate measure of the country's economic growth per capita real income? Which is the first open defecation free state? Open defecation free state? That's Sikkim. Open defecation free state Sikkim. Which scheme? Next question. Which scheme is intended to provide market relevant skill developing training to the youth? Correct answer will be Sankalp. What is the product of Ulta Chat used for Ulta Chat conserving harvesting rainwater? Which is the first indigenous battle tank of Indian Army? Indigenous battle tank Indian Army ra? Na Arjun. Correct answer Arjun. Where was the Rafale aircraft acquired from? Rafale aircraft acquired from? Rafale aircraft acquired କୋଉଠି ହେଇଥିଲା? Rafale aircraft apply କୋଉଠୁ acquired ହେଇଥିଲା? ନା France. Where is the National Defense University under construction? Under construction କୋଉଠି ହଉଛି ନେଇଥିଲା ନା option C Binola. What is the lander name of the Chandrayaan name to used? Vikram. Lander name Vikram. What is the non-stick cooking utensil located with Teflon? What was the theme of the World Earth Day observed worldwide to demonstrate support for the environment protection? Correct answer will be option B. Sorry, option D. End plastic pollution. End plastic pollution. What is not correct with respect to olive seeded turtles? কোনটা correct নাই? ଆରେ ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ଗହୀରମଥା world largest no ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ତ ସରି ଏଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଗହୀରମଥା ଇଜ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଲାର୍ଜେଷ୍ଟ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଟୋଟାଲ 2018 ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଏଇ ଗୋଟା ହିଁ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି, ଟୁ ଅଦର ମାସ ନେକ୍ସଟ ମାସ ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ହବ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର। Which is not mentioned as a greenhouse gas in the Kyoto Protocol to United Nations Framework Convention on Climatic Change? Correct answer will be carbon monoxide. Whose concept was non-aligned movement? Correct answer will be Jawaharlal Nehru. Non-aligned movement. Na correct answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is eligible to the chairman of Human Rights Commission of India? Correct answer will be a former Chief Justice of India. Former Chief Justice of India. Next question. Which of the following states is correct about the President of India? President of India. কোনটা correct হবো প্রেসিডেন্ট না না address first session of the parliament after each general election? এটা correct হবো. Who was the following founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Option A महात्मा गांधी. Ahmedabad Labor Association फाउंड करथिले के ना महात्मा गांधी. 82.5 degree east longitude is geographically significant to India because correct answer देबो काहे ये करछि ना it determines the Indian Standard Time. For regulation of the insurance trade in the country, government has formed. Correct answer will be Insurance Regulatory Development Authority IRDA. For what is the Manas Sanctuary Assam known? Manas Sanctuary Assam known for its elephants. Historians are the view of the British signed the Treaty of Versailles 1802 with a cipher. Who was the cipher? Cipher किए थिला ना correct answer टी हवा बाजीराव सेकेंड ऑप्शन थिबो बाजीराव सेकेंड ऑप्शन 2. In India, how many states share the coastline? India, how many states share the coastline? Option C, 9. Next question. Which of the following mountain regions from a dividing line between the Ganges plain and the Deccan Plateau? Correct answer will be Vindhya. Option B. Integrated Khasang hydroelectric project, Sainji hydroelectric project, which are being supported by the Asian Development Bank, are located in which of the following states? Correct answer will be Himachal Pradesh. We have which among the following amendments of the Constitution of India Delhi was designated as the National Capital Territory? The correct answer will be 69th Amendment Act. Option B. 69th Amendment Act. Option B. What is the correct repo rate in the second bi-monthly monetary policy review for RBI for financial year 2019? Correct answer will be 6.25%. Who among the following acts has not been enacted by the Parliament of India? Correct answer will be Mokoka. M. Koka. Who among the following has written the book titled The Pearls of Democracy? Correct answer will be P.S. Ramanath Rao. P.S. Ramanath Rao. Next question. Who among the following was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Na G.B. Mavalankar. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar, first speaker of Lok Sabha. The 90 East Ridge is a submarine volcanic ridge located in. Correct answer will be Indian Ocean. Which among the following would be the longest day in Australia? Australia longest day. December 22. Next question. The Hindu and Jain mythology refer to which among the following as the center of the universe? Correct answer will be Mount Meru. Bring out of the sea which has no coastline. Correct answer will be Sargasso Sea. Which among the following is the largest tropical lake in the world? Lake Victoria. On which among the following dates World Hindi Day is observed? January 10. World Hindi Day observed in January 10. Which among the following viceroys was associated with the Ilbert Bill controversy? Lord Ripon. Arrange the following events, movements in the correct order of their chronology. Chronology अनुसार कोनटा ठीक अछि ना आमे जानते राउलाट एक्ट हेतला 1919 रे एटा सिविल डिसओबीडिएंट मूवमेंट हेतला 1930 रे सिविल डिसओबीडिएंट मूवमेंट 1930 बाइकआउट ऑफ द साइमन कमीशन बाइकआउट ऑफ द साइमन कमीशन हेतला केबे ना 1928 रे 1928 रे 19 सर एटा 19 क्विट इंडिया 1942 तो ऑप्शन कोटा हवा ना एकटा एक रहबो एकटा एटा भूलेंगला एटा भूलेंगला एकटा एक दुईटा ठीक अछि तापर दुईटा दुई रहबो दुईटा दुईटा सिविल डिसोर्डर 19 तो दुईटा दुई रहबनी तीनटा दुई रहबो एटा 228 एटा 19 रा तापर 28 माने तीनटा रहबो तीन एटा ठीक अछि ए लिखि देली डेट सब आप माने देखि देबे The only session of Indian National Congress which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi was महात्मा गांधी कोठी ना बेलगांव बेलगांव रे महात्मा गांधी प्रिसाइड करथिले नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन at which among the following places Indian National Park hosted for the first time in India first time India रे कोठी national park ना कोलकाता bring out the only incorrect statement टा कोठा अछि सेटा को बाहर करिया कहछि देखिया ना कावेरी इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ तमिलनाडु ठीक अच्छी इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द चिलीज आफ्टर चाइना ठीक अच्छी रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट 70 एस्टाब्लिश द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया एटा भी ठीक अच्छी अटॉर्नी जनरल इज द अपॉइंटेड एज आर्टिकल 1976 आर्टिकल 1976 किसी नहीं तो एटा ही भूल अच्छी उद्यमी हेल्पलाइन इज फॉर एटा कौन हवा ना एमएसएमई माइक्रो स्मॉल एमएसएमई मान पाई उद्यमी हेल्पलाइन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द अपर लिमिट ऑफ आरटीजीएस ट्रांजैक्शन इन इंडिया अपर लिमिट ऑफ आरटीजीएस ट्रांजैक्शन इन इंडिया ना आरटीजीएस रा किछि लिमिट नहीं नो लिमिट हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज रिटन द बुक ग्रोथ एंड फाइनेंस करेक्ट आंसर विल बी रंगराजन सी रंगराजन ग्रोथ एंड फाइनेंस सी रंगराजन which among the following is the popularly known as the mercantile law of India correct answer dava contract law also known as mercantile law of India mutual funds are regulated in India by which among the following mutual fund kaha द्वारा regulate करा है correct answer SEBI in which year mission Olympics in army programmable was launched को year रे mission Olympics ना option number 2001 हवा correct answer it अछि check which is not an agency of UN correct answer will be international commission red code एटा UN एजेंसी ना FAO टा अब IMF ILO इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंटरनेशनल मॉनिटरी फंड ए तीनटा का यूएस रा किंतु एटा नुह UN एटा नुह an Indian who become the president of International Court of Justice is correct answer will be नागेंद्र सिंह जे कि इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस आईसीजी रे हेड थिले जोटा जारा हेडक्वार्टर अछि द हेग नेदरलैंड which of the following is not a permanent member of UN Security Council correct answer will be Japan UN Security Council Japan गोटे member नाही who has become the first Indian cricketer to score 2000 runs in T20 international cricket correct answer will be Mithali Raj who has been crowned Femina Miss World 2018 सेटा किए जितला ना करेक्ट आंसर विल बी अनुकीर्ति भास which renowned personality has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Sikkim government correct answer will be AR Rahman the first biannual Air Force Commanders Conference 2018 was held in which city New Delhi what was the theme of the National Statistics Day 2018 what was the theme of the National Statistics Day 2018 correct answer was statistics for New India who has been crowned as the first tribal queen India's first tribal queen सठिक पल्लवी दुर्वा option D under India Smart Cities Award 2018 which smart city has been selected for the city award for showing great momentum in implementation of projects Correct answer will be Surat. Who has been sworn in the new Prime Minister of Italy? ସେତେବେଳେ ଇଟାଲୀର ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର କିଏ ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ଗୁସିଏପ୍ପେ କଣ୍ଟେ. Giuseppe Conte. What is the rank in the Global Peace Index 2018? 2018 रे Global Peace Index रे केते rank थिला 136. 136. What is the theme of the 2018 World Oceans Day WOD? Correct answer will be preventing plastic and pollution, encouraging solution for a healthy ocean. Next question is 95. Which Indian armed force is observing the year 2018 year of disabled soldiers in line of duty? Correct answer will be Indian Army. Indian Army. Who has been honored with the DRDO Lifetime Achievement Award 2017? 2017 Lifetime Achievement DRDO के पाइला ना वासुदेव कलकुंटे अत्रे. The military exercise of the Indian Army Gandhi Vijay 2018 was concluded in which state? Correct answer will be Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Next question, authentic question. Upper part of the sea and aquatic ecosystem contains. Upper part of the sea and aquatic ecosystem contains plankton. Plankton content करती. Greenhouse effect is warming due to greenhouse effect is warming due to increase in temperature due to increase in carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere. Study of interrelationship between organism and their environment is. Correct answer will be ecology. Correct answer will be ecology. ସରିଛି ଆଜିରେ ଆମେ 100 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଓପିଏସ୍ସିର ଆଇଏଏସ୍ର ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କଲେ ଆପଣ ରିଭିଜନ୍ ଥରରେ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ଏଇଭଳି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସବୁ ପଡ଼ୁଛି କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର ମିଶାଇକରି ତ ଆପଣ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହୁଅନ୍ତି ତ ଆକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର୍ ଆଉ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯାହା ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର୍ ଓପିଏସ୍ସିର ବି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ସବୁ ଆଣିକି ଆସିବି ତ ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆପଣ ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେୟାର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ମୋ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍କୁ ଦବାନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ନୂଆ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଯିବ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୋଟିଭ ଯଦି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥିବ ମଧ୍ୟ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଖରାପ ବି ଲାଗୁଛି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମଧ୍ୟ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ କେଉଁଠି ମୋର ତ୍ରୁଟି ରହୁଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି ତ ଏତିକି କହିକି ମୋ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଏଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ତ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।